Alright guys, today we have Squirtle and Explosive here playing some Hardcore Bolts TDM Dome. Squirtle's complaining that he almost threw up and he's sick, so I mean let's see what happens though. So we got Squirtle going Red Army, obviously Explosive goes Wetcherman or whatever it's called. So we got Explosive here, let's zoom in on him real quick. Again, this is radar on, Hardcore Bolts. And this is Squirtle's host and he just got turned on, so. Oh. Squirtle gets him out of that head glitch pretty easy. Oh, and Squirtle tricks Explosive. It's pretty tricky. Squirtle's over here trying to quick shot him when he could just aim in and get him, you know, so. I don't know what he's trying to do here. Again, he's complaining that he's sick, so, you know. I don't think being sick has anything to do with playing video games, but, Squirtle gets picked out. Okay, let's go to Explosive here. As you can see, they are pop shotting. It is legal to pop shot, which means snake behind an object where they cannot see your body. So, as you can see, it's a snake. Oh, and he ate a bullet. What is Explosive aiming at? Squirtle doesn't have UFO mode on. He's on the map. Explosive, you pop shot fast like me now. You never used to pop shot that fast. Now you do. Not when I play with you. Alright, so we got Explosive sit here. Squirtle running around like a little bitch. I don't think Explosive knows that you can wallbang that item right there. You can, trust me. Oh, and he goes for the jump shot, but he gets stuck. Looks like Squirtle has him blocked in there, yep. So let's go to Squirtle real quick. Looks like Squirtle's trying to, you know, snake in the middle of the map, which, you know, that's a forfeit, considering Explosive just saw him, so. There's a snake right there, ladies and gentlemen, right in front of Explosive. Oh, and he picks him out. Pretty nice shot there by Explosive. Just to let you know, he's to your right, Explosive, not way over there. So, yep, looks like Squirtle's gonna sit here and camp in the back. As you can see on the radar, he's sitting there ringing him now. Oh, and he tricks him. That's pretty upsetting right there, John. Just kidding. There's no John here. I'm the only commentator on this video. Oh, Squirtle misses an easy shot. Oh, he picks it up. Let's go. Oh, that was a pretty nasty shot. Not gonna lie. Let's go to Explosive. Picks up a pretty easy no scope there. 6 to 11 right now, ladies and gentlemen. This is Squirtle's host. 7 to 11. Oh, easy shot. Explosive just missed it. Looks like Squirtle has a tendency of sitting back pop shotting behind stuff. That's what I've noticed, at least. Oh, an Explosive runs right into his line of fire. This is one of the... Oh, Explosive just stood up. Oh, and he picks it up. See what's gonna happen here. We got Explosive trying to reload. Oh, and he picks up Squirtle out of the head glitch. Pretty dirty move. Well, YouTube, that's Squirtle and Explosive going at it in TDM. Have a good day.